massive outrage. Now, earlier in the day, TVK's Vijay, who is an actor-turned-politician, met with the governor, Mr. R.N. Ravi. But now some trouble coming in for TVK's Ravi and his party, with the General Secretary B. Anand being detained for distributing pamphlets of the actor-turned-politician's handwritten letter to the women fraternity at public places. So that's the news coming in, that TVK, the party's General Secretary B. Anand, has now been detained. He has been detained because he was found to be distributing these pamphlets, and these were handwritten pamphlets by the actor-turned-politician assuring the women of their safety and their security. And these pamphlets apparently were distributed to the women fraternity inside the university at also public places as well, and therefore now he has been detained. So that's the latest coming in from Tamil Nadu in this particular case. I'm going to go straight across now to Purnima. Purnima, so why exactly has the General Secretary of TVK now been detained? What is his fault? He was only distributing these pamphlets from the actor-turned-politician who was assuring women of their safety.
Well, these were political pamphlets and therefore they needed prior permission, is what the T Nagar police station officers said while detaining Busi Anand, the General Secretary of Tamaraga Vetri Karagam. Remember, earlier in the day, Vijay had penned a handwritten letter to the women fraternity in Tamil Nadu, saying that he's pained with the kind of things that are happening in Tamil Nadu in connection with the latest sexual assault case inside the Anna University campus. So in the letter, he also said that there's no point questioning those rulers who govern us, because it's of no use. It's only we will have to join hands and work together to make Tamil Nadu a safe place. So this was the content of the letter, which was written by Vijay himself to the women fraternity. He called them sisters and said that he will stand by them in any situation as their brother. So that was the letter which was distributed by Busi Anand in T Nagar when he was detained. Police said he will be released by 6 p.m. That's the word coming in. However, interestingly, the question of this is significant because earlier at 1 p.m. Vijay met with Governor R.N. Ravi, submitted a petition. The petition spoke about how he sought
what was
the help
that
of Governor
about,
to ensure
Purnima,
that
when the